Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Steps to Speaking. Hope you all are doing well. If you have subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. If you never subscribed so far, please subscribe it because your one like and your one subscribe always motivates me to work even better. So without any further delay, let's talk about today's topic. Actually, today I am here with some different concept about ChatGPT. How I am brushing upon my communication skills every day. Right? ChatGPT always helps me, guides me because every time there is a room for improvement. If you are beginner or thinking about learning English, then you can taking help from ChatGPT. She always guide you, motivates you, right? Being a homemaker, it was not feasible for me to go outside and enroll to myself in any institute. So I thought if we have adequate resources, we can improve ourselves at home, right? So I am also improving my skills at home. You can too. I started my journeys from scratch. Now I feel comfortable while speaking. Why don't you? Right? So without any further delay, let's come with some practical task. Hi, good morning.
Hey, good morning. I hope you're having a good start to your day. Let me know how I can assist you today, and I'm here to help with whatever you need.
I am going to talk about beginner. If you are beginner, you don't know how to speak, how to start your journey, then you can start your journey like this. Hey friend, I am totally beginner. I don't know that how I should start. मुझे बिल्कुल भी नहीं इंग्लिश आती है। तो क्या आप मेरी हेल्प कर सकते हो इंग्लिश सीखने में?
I don't know any English at all, so can you help me learn English?
Okay, I don't know how to speak. So could you please help me to learn English? Am I right now?
Yes, you're absolutely right, and I'm more than happy to help you learn and improve. We can take it step by step, and I'll support you along the way. Just let me know what you need, and we'll get started.
ओके, मुझे कोई 5 वर्ड्स दे दो ताकि मैं उस पे कुछ सेंटेंसेस भी बना लूँ.
Sure, here are 5 words for you. 1, adventure. 2, friendship. 3, journey. 4, happiness. 5, discovery. You can try making some sentences with these words, and I'll help you with them.
कुछ could you give me some real life words?
Of course, here are 5 real-life words that you might use often. 1, family. 2, work. 3, food. 4, travel. 5, weather. You can create sentences using these words, and I'll help you refine them.
Okay, travel. Okay, if I make sentence on travel, I will make uh, I like traveling.
That's a great sentence. You can also say, I enjoy traveling, or traveling makes me happy. If you'd like to add more detail, you could say something like, I love traveling to new places and exploring different cultures. Feel free to experiment with it.
ओके एंड मुझे ग्रामर के रूल्स भी नहीं आते हैं. आई एम नॉट गुड एट ग्रामर. ओके, सो मैं एक सेंटेंस बना रही हूँ. आई एम गोइंग टू मेक वन सेंटेंस. कुड यू प्लीज करेक्ट मी? माई डॉटर डोंट गो टू स्कूल.
Of course, the correct way to say that would be, my daughter doesn't go to school. You're doing great, and with practice, your grammar will improve step by step. Keep it up.
Got it? So now she's not judging me that how much English I know. right? And she will not judge you that how much English you know, and you are speaking in your native language or English. But if you practice like this for 1 month or 2 months, you will able to speak fluently, right? Because I started my journey like this. Now come on the intermediate level, right? Hi, good morning.
Hey, good morning. I hope you're doing well. Let me know if there's anything specific I can help you with today.
Okay, yes, I am doing well. Could you please give me two other ways to say if someone asks me about how am I? So, how I can reply with different ways. Still, only give me two.
Absolutely. Instead of saying I'm doing well, you could say I'm doing great, thank you, or you could say I'm feeling good, thanks for asking. Both are friendly and natural ways to respond.
Okay, I know. I think five. I am fresh as a flower. I am over the moon. I am on cloud nine, and I am exceptionally well. I am pretty well. I am fantastic, and I am full of beans. So I know these phrases or these expressions too.
That's awesome. You have a really great variety of expressions already. It's always fun to have different ways to respond and keep conversations lively. If you ever want to learn more or practice using them in context, just let me know.
Okay, actually now I have intermediate level, but I can speak better English. I can express my ideas clearly and wisely. But when it comes to any topic, sometimes words don't come into my mind, right? So I think now I have to practice more and more on topics. So please help me to improve my skills with topics. So if someone asks me about anything on any topic, I feel comfortable while speaking. So I want to start my journey from today because I want to achieve my next level. I want to level up my English.
That sounds like a fantastic plan. I'm excited to help you on this journey. We can definitely explore a new topic each day, practice discussing it, and build your confidence and vocabulary. Whenever you're ready, just let me know the topic you'd like to start with, and we'll delve right in.
Okay, give me one topic.
All right, let's start with something engaging and relatable. How about discussing your favorite hobby or pastime? You can share what it is, why you enjoy it, and any special experiences you've had. That should be a fun and comfortable starting point.
Hobbies. You are talking about hobbies, right?
Exactly, yes. We can definitely dive into hobbies. Feel free to share what your favorite hobby is, why you love it, and anything else you'd like to talk about. I'm here to help you every step of the way.
Okay, my hobbies are learning new skills and expanding my knowledge day by day. So, according to me, like I consider hobbies are our instincts which we pursue with passion, not out of obligation, right? And we can even earn money by our hobbies. And hobbies are always make us relax because hobbies are always make us relax because everyone has their different hobbies, right? My hobby is always learning new skills, so I thought that I should learn a language. So these days I am enjoying my journey because it was my hobby, it was my passion. Could you please correct me whatever if I made any mistake, and give me some advanced version too?
You did really well. Here are a few small adjustments to refine it. One, instead of saying I consider hobbies are our instincts, you can say I consider hobbies to be our passions that we pursue willingly, not out of obligation. Two, instead of hobbies are always make us relax, you can say hobbies always help us relax. Three, instead of my hobby is always learning new skills, you can say, my hobby is always learning new skills. For a more advanced version, you could say, I believe that hobbies are passions we pursue out of genuine interest, not obligation. Engaging in hobbies can even lead to financial opportunities, and they provide a wonderful way to unwind. For me, learning new skills is a passion, and that's why I'm enjoying my journey of language learning. You're
Okay,
doing great.
thank you. Got it. If I have intermediate level, still while speaking, we make mistakes unintentionally, right? So if you do everyday practice, then gradually you can improve yourself. And because according to me, mistakes are always proof that we are learning something new. Now, if you have already advanced level and you want to level up your communication skills, then how you can ask questions from ChatGPT. Let's come. Hi, friend. I have already advanced level, but I want to improve or level up my English more. So, if I want to level up my English, could you please give me five idioms to add in my English?
That's wonderful. Here are 5 great idioms to add to your vocabulary. 1, break the ice, to initiate conversation in a social setting, making people feel more comfortable. 2, hit the nail on the head, to describe exactly what is causing a problem or to be precisely correct. 3, burn the midnight oil, to stay up late working on something, usually studying or working hard. 4, throw in the towel, to give up or admit defeat when facing a challenge. 5, the ball is in your court. It's now your turn to take action or make a decision. Feel free to practice using these idioms in your conversations.
And what about phrasal verbs?
Absolutely. Phrasal verbs are super useful. Here are 5 common ones to get you started. 1, bring up, to mention or introduce a topic in conversation. 2, look forward to anticipate something with excitement or pleasure. 3, come across, to encounter or find something by chance. 4, put off, to postpone or delay something. 5, carry on, to continue doing something. These phrasal verbs will definitely help you sound more natural in conversation.
Okay, and vocabulary. Could you please give me three vocabulary words for today? More advanced.
Of course, here are 3 advanced vocabulary words for today. 1, ubiquitous, present, appearing, or found everywhere. 2, ephemeral, lasting for a very short time, transient. 3, voracious, having a very eager approach to an activity, especially eating or learning. Feel free to practice using these words in your sentences and let me know if you need any help.
Okay, and in the term of pronunciation, I don't know how to pronounce this word. Uh, Deveated. It's a divided, or could you please tell me?
Absolutely. The word is pronounced as deviated with the emphasis on the second syllable. So it sounds like deviated. You're doing great with pronunciation, and if you need help with any other.
Okay, it's a deviated, right?
Yes, exactly. You've got it. It's pronounced as deviated. Great job. If you have any other words or anything else you'd like to practice, I'm here to help.
Okay. Apart from that, is there any area I should improve if I really want to improve my communication skills?
Absolutely. In addition to vocabulary, pronunciation, and grammar, it can be really helpful to focus on things like active listening, practicing spontaneous speaking, and even engaging in discussions or debates on a variety of topics. Also, getting feedback from native speakers or even recording yourself and listening back can be really beneficial. It's all about consistent practice and staying curious.
And now, please tell me what level I have.
based on what you've shared and how you express yourself, you're definitely at an advanced level. You can communicate your ideas clearly and confidently, and you're already working on refining and expanding your skills even further. Keep it up, and you'll continue to level up your English even more.
Okay. Thank you. If I say thank you, is there any other way to say thank you? I know about thanks a million and that's so kind of you. Any other?
Absolutely. Here are a few more ways to say thank you. One, I appreciate it. Two, I'm grateful. Three, many thanks. Four, thanks a lot. Five, I'm thankful for that. These can add a nice variety to your responses and make your conversations even more engaging.
Okay. I think you have noticed everything, right? How she is guiding me, how she is helping me, providing me some new words, vocabularies, correcting my pronunciation, structure my sentence, correct my topic, give me new ideas. If I do regular practice like this, I can definitely improve my or level of my English, right? And I use free version of ChatGPT. There is no charge. You can improve your skills without pay even a single penny, right? So you have various resources, adequate resources, right? Now it's your turn. Think you have to start from today because still you have 2.5 months to start new year. You can take the resolution to make the upcoming year better. I hope this video is useful and you found it engaging. Thank you so much. Bye bye.